Assalamu alaikum. And hello YouTubers. Pro2 is here. In this video, I will share with you guys on how to replace a car's side view mirror. A side mirror, also known as a wing mirror, is a mirror that is mounted near the front edge of an automobile's front doors. The purpose is for helping the driver see areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle. A broken side mirrors, such as this one, can put you, the passengers and everyone else on the road at risk. A broken side mirrors will probably having some trouble seeing upcoming traffic. Although you can get these repairs done easily at an auto shop, you can also replace your side view mirror at home. Since you'll be working with broken glass, you don't want any shards flying into your eyes or cutting your skin. You may need gloves and safety glasses for extra safety. To pry this side mirror out, you need a screwdriver. First step, press the side mirror on the top, so that the mirror is slightly tilted. Then, pry out the side mirror from below it. When a snap sound is heard, that indicates the clip behind it has been released from its place. And pull the side mirror down. This is what the rear side mirror looks like. You will find the 2 tab on the top and 4 clips around it securing the side mirror case to the frame. Line up the 2 mounting pins on the top with their respective slots. Line the mirror up to the plastic frame and apply some pressure. When pushing the mirror into the housing, do it with your fingers placed in the center of the mirror, not the edges. Continue pushing until you hear a click sound. Once the side mirror is stuck in its place, make sure the side mirror have a good contact by firmly rubbing with cloth or using gloves to ensure the best possible. There you have it. The task is done. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy cautiously and good luck. Pro2 DIY.